This is the one. This is the one. This is the one. I could throw, okay, girl, it's just everything.
No basics on.
Hey Stush Gang, welcome back to another video. So today's video is one that I'm very excited about. I'm gonna be sharing my candle collection with you guys. So if you're new here, I'm obsessed, like literally obsessed with candles. So today I'm going to be diving into my candle collection. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. If you're new here, don't forget, matter of fact, just do it right now. Just do it right now. Hit that red subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 6K. We definitely need your help to get there. So make sure you subscribe down below if you're new. If you're not new, you're still not subscribed, because I know some of y'all are just lurking and watching. Make sure you subscribe down below. It helps us grow, and we love to grow. We don't like staying stagnant. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to leave your girl a big thumbs up down below. Go ahead and do that right now too, because I know sometimes you can forget. And if you have any questions or comments about anything that occurs in today's video, feel free to leave it down below. I'm always around to respond back to you guys. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it, because I have a lot of stuff that I need to cover. I'm looking behind me because my candle collection is literally located right underneath my perfume collection. So I'm going to pull them out and we'll get into it. The first candle that I actually want to start off with is the one that I'm currently burning. Now, if you're an OG Triple SG Stush Gang, you already know how I feel about DW Home candles. I buy pretty much 99% of them at TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls. I forget that. I'm a Maxinesa big time, okay? Big time. I live in Marshalls, I live in TJ Maxx, I live in Home Goods. So the candle that I'm currently burning, and I feel like it's so appropriate for summer, so appropriate for, oh, it's about to be summer. We're technically in spring, but it's appropriate for the seasons that we're in and the season that we're approaching. And it is the Nectarine Peach DW Home candle. That's what she looks like. It just smells like I got my pieces out in Georgia. Oh, that shit. Yes, that's exactly what it smells like. That the lyric? Girl, that's exactly what it smells like. I don't remember if that's the lyrics, but I just know it smells like the peaches were picked in Georgia to create this candle. Obviously, there's no actual peaches in this candle, but they mastered the fragrance perfectly. And the candle matches my nails perfectly. Like, look at that. That's what you call aesthetics, boo, aesthetics. So yeah, this is the candle that I'm currently burning. I love it. It's very fitting. It's really like sweet, but yet fresh. It's just a really nice scent. And I found this, I believe, at my local TJ Maxx. Now I want to get into, I'm going to jump around. I have a lot more DW Home candles. Like the majority of my candles are from DW Home, but I'm going to jump to this just because I have a collection of these that I want to, get into as well. So the next set of candles are coming from Forever Mood, brand created by Jackie Aina, beauty influencer, creator of all things. She does everything, literally. At this point, she does everything. Open to get lit. I have a full review on, these candles, but I purchased the gift set. I believe this is the gift set of the 4 candles that were launched in this Scent Moods collection. So to my recollection, I haven't burned these in a while because they're more like winter scents, more warm scents, fall scents. My favorites were, or my 2 favorites, top 2 were Hey Big Head and Grown Folk Business. But yes, I do have a full review on these candles, so I don't want to spend too much time on it, but this is a part of my collection. She's a part of my collection, okay? And I really just kept the box because I just love the vibe that it gives. Like, beautiful ombre box. It's just a whole vibe, sis. So yes, I also own her very first collection of candles that she launched when she launched her business, and I think that was just called like the Forever Mood set of candles. I own all 4. The gift box is pretty big and it's stationed like somewhere in my room. Really hard to get to, girl. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put up a little picture on the screen so you guys know what it looks like. My favorites in that collection were definitely Left on Red and Matcha Business. Left on Red and Matcha Business, those were that, girl. Like, those 2 were my favorites. I have a full review on that collection as well. If you guys are interested, I'll leave it up above so you guys can check that out. If you guys were interested in purchasing, wanted to know my thoughts and opinions on that collection, along with the Scent Moods collection review that I also put up for you guys. So being that this one is right in front of me, I might as well get into it. The next candle that I have is this Nest Bamboo candle. It's a baby candle, but honestly, this smells like what Thailand, like if you want to, I've never been to Thailand, I've never been to Bali, never been to Thailand, but this kind of gives me like what Thailand or what Bali would smell like if it were a candle, okay, if that makes sense. Smells very bamboo-y, very fresh, but still very tropical. That's what it gives. I haven't burned this one as yet, but I do have the rollerball slash little mini spray. I got this from the app Influencer, so this one smells really nice as well, and I love the packaging. It's so cute and quaint, but still packs a punch. It smells beautiful. Bath and Body Works candles used to be my jam. I mean, I know a lot of people still kill for Bath and Body Works candles, but personally, DW Home does it for me. DW Home just does it for me, and I feel like, and I like the fact that I can go into my favorite store, Marshalls / TJ Maxx / Home Goods, to pick it up compared to solely going to Bath and Body Works for that one thing, because I don't really get like the hand soaps and the body lotions anymore. When I was younger, I was really into it, but nowadays I just select the candles. So I like going to Marshalls, being able to pick up some makeup, like something random, maybe some perfume, maybe even a blazer, something cute, a last minute outfit, and also being able to get my favorite candles. So that being said, like, I have some Bath and Body Works. I used to collect a lot more Bath and Body Works, but now I'm more so like a DW Home girl. But the first Bath and Body Works candle that I want to share with you guys is actually this one that I was gifted. It is Champagne Toast by White Barn. It smells like a champagne toast. It smells marvelous. It smells like a bottle of Moet. It smells like a bottle of Moet mixed with some, girl, it's just everything. It smells like we made a peach Bellini out of like a bottle of Moet and poured it into a candle. That's what this smells like to me. The package is absolutely stunning, and no, I actually didn't purchase the lid like this. I actually used this tape from Dollar Tree and just cut it and, you know, used it to line the rim or the lid of the candle. So all of my Bath and Body Works candles have this cute little fancy design going on. So yeah, this is the first Bath and Body Works candle. The next Bath and Body Works candle is actually one that I have two of, because girl, I've smelled a lot of Bath and Body Works candles, y'all, but this one, I haven't even burned them because I don't want to like burn them and then they like get discontinued or something. Like, I purchased the second one before even burning the first one. I haven't burned any of them as yet. And it is the Strawberry Pound Cake candle from White Barn. I smelled this for the first time at my cousin's house. She had like the mini version, and I want to say she was burning it around Thanksgiving. I know it was before their candle sale. Like, Bath and Body Works does that candle sale every year, and I was trying to steal it from her house. Like, that's how bad I wanted this scent. I was really trying to steal it from her house. On the day of Bath and Body Works candle sale, I ordered one, but they canceled my order, I guess because they sold out before they were able to process my order. So my best friend ended up buying me one for Christmas. That's how I acquired my first Strawberry Pound Cake candle. This candle, bruh, I don't know who's working in the labs at Bath and Body Works, bro, but this candle smells so good. It smells so edible, so feminine, so sweet. It's just everything that I want in a candle. Like, if I were a candle, this would probably be it, or one that I'm about to show you shortly. This, from packaging to scent, it's just magnificent. And I went ahead and purchased another one, even though I hadn't burned the first one, because I'm like, girl, I just need two. I just need two in the stash, okay? Just in case I decide to burn one and I make it burn through, I need a backup just for showcase. The next candle that I have is coming from Ikea. It is this coconut candle. It's called a Sinlig. Ikea's names are always not hilarious because I know it's actually how you pronounce it. And I believe Ikea, is Sweden. It's a Swedish company. So I know that's how you actually pronounce candle, or that's how I believe that's what candle means in their language. But yeah, this is the coconut candle. It smells really good. These burn pretty quickly. That's the only thing that I will note. They do burn pretty quickly, but they are very affordable. So whenever I stop in Ikea, I always go ahead and pick up a candle. So this coconut one is the one that I recently picked up when I, visited Ikea. On to the next one, to the next one, to the next. So the next set of candles are actually coming from a Black-owned business that is owned by one of my high school friends. She's also one of my lovely supporters. So this candle company is called The Absolute. Their Instagram is Shop The Absolute. I'll go ahead and leave everything that I mentioned today, if I can find it, down below in the description box for you guys. Bespoke, sustainable products handcrafted by two sisters. Stunning. Okay, she sent me a few items. I purchased some things from her as well, but all of her candles are really, really gorgeous. Like, y'all see this? I can't even burn it. It just has to sit here and just speak for herself. This is the Fiamora Goddess. She has to just sit on my shelf and just take up space. Like, I cannot burn her. She's beautiful. So she has a lot of different candles in different colors, different body shapes that you guys could check out as well. This one, the Atomic Bomb. Beautiful. I can't burn this one as well. It's too beautiful. And they all smell really good. She has both scented and unscented candles. This one is also gorgeous. I think this is the Venus statue. I can't burn them. They're just too gorgeous. So definitely check out her candle brand as well. She has a lot of really nice aesthetically pleasing pieces, and they're all handcrafted. They all look and smell really, really good. All coming from The Absolute. So make sure you guys check them out. Now I'm gonna get into my DW Home candles, the rest of my DW Home candle collection, okay? So you guys already saw this one. This is the Nectarine Peach. The next one that I have from DW Home is this Fresh Strawberry Sangria. This smells magnificent. You guys see the ombre? Packaging, beautiful. This literally smells like fresh strawberries. That's exactly what it smells like. I don't understand how they can create the scent so spot on for these candles. Like, it's truly an art. It smells absolutely yummy, absolutely amazing. I'm gonna probably burn this in July because that's when I'll probably be having a fresh strawberry sangria, okay? The next one that I got from DW Home is this Citrus Orchid. This is another one that's probably gonna be burned in either July or August because it's fitting for the season. Bro, I could not leave this when I picked it up. Wow, it smells like nectarines, it smells like tangerines, it smells like oranges, it smells like all the citrusy fruits in one candle. It's very fresh, kind of sweet. It smells really good. Like, it says sweet orange and citrus infused with hints of mango and papaya. That's where the sweetness is coming from, the mango and papaya. And the last two from DW Home, okay, this is the other candle. Like, if I were a candle, I'd smell like this. Gardenia Petals. If I buy two, I'm obsessed, okay? If I buy two, I'm obsessed. If I buy two of one thing, you know I'm obsessed. This candle smells so good, bro. This is my buffalo candle. Like, I would scope through the store. I would search through that store to see if they had any of this Gardenia petal candle because it smells so good. Gardenias might just be my favorite flower just off the strength of this candle right here. It's sweet, green, and floral. Sweet aroma of orange flowers and soft white peaches embraced with a bouquet of white gardenia petals. This is the one. This is the one. This is the one. I could throw, okay, I can't throw away that strawberry pound cake. That one is really good. But this one, it's such a feminine candle. It's such a sexy candle. It's such a fresh candle. It's just everything. Like, this is me in a candle. If I'm not the strawberry pound cake, I'm this one. Wow. I've had these probably longer than I've had all the other candles because I just don't want to burn them because I'm obsessed. Like, they're a part of my collection. I love. If you ever stop in your Marshalls, TJ Maxx, if they have gardenia petals, I beg, smell it. So that's my entire candle collection. Now I want to get into candles that are on my wish list, candles that I would like to pick up. Oops, sorry y'all, my battery died. I had to switch the battery out real quick. But as I was saying, let's get into candles that I would like to purchase one day. Candles that I would like to add to my collection when I get a house. They need to just have their own little section in there, okay? First one is Effin' Fabulous by Tom Ford. I need it. I just need it because, like, it's luxury. It's luxury in a candle, and I would like to just have it sitting somewhere, you know, next to all the fine things that I own in my life. I need that Tom Ford candle to sit right on my coffee table. So yes, that's the first one that I want. The next candle that I really want is the Maison Margiela Baccarat candle. I don't even own the perfume, but I'm gonna get the perfume, and I'm also going to get that candle. I need that candle in my life. I need it to sit on a coffee table. I need it to probably sit in my bedroom. So I need that candle as well. The last candle that I would really like, I love DJ Khaled. I'm a stan for DJ Khaled. I used to watch his Snapchat stories all the time. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. The Dippy Q Baize candle. Y'all, he said I need it, so I need it. So that's the last candle that I would really like to add to my collection. The Maison Margiela Baccarat, the Effin' Fabulous by Tom Ford, and that Baize candle by Dippy Keek. Girl, I don't know how you pronounce it, but if you know, you know. I'll put up pictures of all of them so you guys can see which ones I'm talking about. But yeah, that's pretty much it from my candle collection. I go through a ton of candles throughout the year. These are the candles that I haven't burned as yet, but girl, I have a lot of candles that I've gone. So these are just the ones that I haven't burned as yet. These are the ones that I'm probably not gonna burn. Some of them I'm not burning because I'm obsessed. But I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you leave your girl a big thumbs up down below. If you have a favorite candle and you did not see it here and you think I need to pick it up, please, I beg of you, please comment it down below. Let me know what candle I need to pick up ASAP because it's your favorite. If you haven't already subscribed, I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to say it in the outro, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 6K. We need you to help us get there, so make sure you subscribe and make sure your post notifications are also turned on, so that way you can be alerted whenever I upload the next video. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my candle collection. I was ecstatic about creating this video because I love candles. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys. Really? I just need it. It's luxurious. I used to watch his Snapchat stories all the... Oh my god. I'm in the middle of recording. I gotta call you back. The next candle that